In the cosmic atelier where the artifacts of human expression reside, there exists a sacred and venerable practice known as the conservation and restoration of cultural heritage. Picture, if you will, a celestial workshop where the echoes of history are meticulously preserved, and scholars become celestial artisans, breathing new life into the fragile remnants of bygone eras. Conservation and restoration of cultural heritage is the mystical art of safeguarding and rejuvenating the physical and aesthetic integrity of artifacts, artworks, manuscripts, and structures that bear the imprints of human history. Scholars who embark on this enchanting journey become cosmic custodians, wielding the tools of science and artistry to protect and revive the luminous threads of cultural legacy. Imagine the celestial scrolls of conservation and restoration, where each meticulous technique becomes a radiant stroke in the grand canvas of heritage preservation. Scholars, akin to cosmic artisans, employ a blend of scientific methodologies and artistic sensibilities to ensure that the artifacts of human civilization endure the passage of time. Conservation and restoration is a cosmic covenant, where custodians pledge to uphold the principles of ethical restoration, respecting the authenticity and historical context of cultural artifacts. Each restoration effort, a luminescent act, contributes to the cosmic harmony of the intellectual and artistic cosmos, bridging the temporal gap between past and present. In this cosmic ballet, conservation and restoration become guiding forces that shape the very landscape of cultural preservation. It is a sacred language that transcends the boundaries of individual artifacts, offering scholars and seekers a structured path through the realms of meticulously preserved human wisdom and creativity. Yet, the practice of conservation and restoration is not static, it is a dynamic force that evolves with the currents of scientific advancements, technological innovations, and the changing needs of the cosmic community of learners. Custodians, like cosmic rejuvenators, adapt and refine these celestial restoration techniques, ensuring they remain relevant and effective in the face of evolving challenges. Challenges arise within this mystical realm. Custodians must navigate the nuanced landscapes of material science, historical research, and ethical considerations, ensuring that restoration efforts resonate with the diverse perspectives of the cosmic community of learners. It requires a delicate balance between preserving the authenticity of cultural heritage and breathing new life into artifacts for future generations to behold. In the grand narrative of the Celestial Workshop, conservation and restoration of cultural heritage is the sacred script that guides scholars through the organized constellations of preserved legacy. It is a testament to the enduring quest for understanding, a mystical endeavor that invites researchers to traverse the structured realms of cultural preservation and discover the boundless landscapes of human wisdom and creativity, reverberating across the celestial halls of time.